Hey guys, so a few of you have been having some trouble seeing the problems on the document. So I'm making this video for you to get your problems written down from. So I did another video on reviewing how to factor using the X method, okay, and how to find the x-intercepts. So please make sure you watch that video as a review for these problems that are on this page. So let's go ahead and scroll down. All right, so in your notebooks, if you don't have this paper, in your notebooks, here's problem number 1. You're going to show your work and write your factors over here. So your work is going to go right here, your x. Remember, set it equal to 0 first. Then do your factors here and then write your x-intercepts over here. So this is problem number 1. Here's problem number 2. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to. Here's problem number 3. Go ahead and pause the video so you can write this down if you need to. And here's problems number 4 and number 5. Now these are practice problems. So these are to help you remember how I told you you need to practice things over and over again, and that's how learning occurs. So please make sure you do these. Now you can check these answers. Here is the answer key for those 5 problems. So once you finish those 5 problems, you can check your answers right here. Okay, so the next section that I'm asking you to do is the assignment. So here is the assignment that you need to do. So you're going to factor this using the X method, show your work over here, and then circle the correct answer here. Number 2, in this case, you're going to find the x-intercepts. So you need to factor it, show your work over here, and find the x-intercepts and circle the correct answer. And so on. So pause the video and write these questions down into your notebooks unless you have this paper. And there's 5 questions here as well. So once you finish these 5 questions, I need you to take a picture of it, and then you're going to upload it to Google Classroom. I have posted a video on how to upload assignments to Google Classroom. It's very specific and straightforward. But remember, before you upload it, you need to take a picture of your work. And you can upload more than one file if you need to, okay? So hopefully this is going to work better for you, especially for those of you that are having a difficult time getting this to show up in Google Classroom. If you have any problems at all, just send me an email and I'll try to help you out. And we're working out the bugs this week. And if you are going to turn in your packet with this work done, please have it turned in by Monday when you pick up the new packet. If you're doing Google Classroom, please have this work uploaded by next Monday, but you can upload it anytime between now and then. All right, I hope you all are doing okay, and we'll talk to you later.